Today, we're going to make a fairy garden container with my niece Vienna. She's currently trying to finish gluing the bridge. We are trying to glue this bridge and Dexter keeps trying to step on it. Dexter, did he just ruin one of ours from it? No. Well, he stepped on it. This one is goldenrod. It's little lemon, and this one is excellent for butterflies. Goldenrod, in my opinion, is probably the best plant for butterflies in general. Now, it's always best to get your native goldenrod. The native goldenrod here in the Pacific Northwest is Solidago canadensis. So this one's going to be a little bit different, but it should still be good for butterflies. Oh, this one is definitely rooted in. Oh my goodness, we might have to cut this one. 20 minutes later, and we finally got it out of the pot. Okay, now I'm definitely going to need to rough these up.
Yeah.
Matter of fact,
oh my goodness.
I think I might need to cut them. Oh my goodness, this thing is so rough. It is taking forever to loosen up the roots. We had to water it in because it was so tightly compacted. There was no wetness to it at all. It was so dry. Hopefully we have it the roots loosened up enough that it's going to survive, and I hope the next plant is not this deep rooted. But it's planted now, so we can move on to the next one. So this echinacea, this coneflower, is a raspberry pink, and it's called Sombrero fuchsia. Coneflowers are also really good for pollinators. This one here, also good for pollinators, particularly hummingbirds, is penstemon. This one is called, I forget the name, pristine primrose. My goodness, look at how rooted in this one is. Oh, at least I could get it out of the pot without breaking the pot.
That's a better sign, I guess.
It's a little bit better of a sign.
But
Still, we're gonna break up these roots a little. This is a Wilma Goldcrest cypress, and I know nothing about it except it looked like it belonged in a fairy garden. And this one is a summer snowdrift candy tuft. Most candy tuft blooms in spring. I think that's probably why it's called summer snowdrift. These cute little thymes are called creeping chintz thyme. And they really don't smell that good. Normally I love the smell of thyme, but this one not so much.
Oh yeah.
It kind of smells, doesn't it?
It does smell bad.
I think we'll put this one back here. This one is a Persian chocolate moneywort. This is woolly thyme, perfect for any season of a fairy garden. Red chintz thyme again. Now it's time to start adding the fairy pieces, and we started with the bridge. Next, we're going to line the little creek riverbed with rocks, and then we're going to put blue pebbles down, which are basically aquarium pebbles, and then lighter blue pebbles I picked up from the dollar store. And then the last thing were little glass colored pieces that I also picked up from the dollar store.
She does look like me though.
Doesn't she look like you?
Yeah.
The braid and everything.
I don't know.
And now the river otters. I like it.
And now we are gluing on tiny little butterflies, which unfortunately don't pick up in the camera very well, but we are sticking on about at least 10 of them on this thing, and it just adds a little extra sparkle up close in person.
And there we have it. There's our summer fairy garden. Look at all the cuteness. The little fairy who absolutely looks like my niece, so I'm gonna call her Vienna. And then the unicorn, which if you don't know my niece, she loves horses and rides horses. And then all the little butterflies and the river otters. How cute is that? I think this is absolutely my favorite fairy garden I've ever done. I love the colors. I love the cuteness of all of it. It's so cute. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, feed the pollinators for me.